Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Mardi Gras green. This is one of 3 that I have in my Mardi Gras collection, which is purple, green, and gold. So this is a very simple recipe to make with a pre-made base, and this is your pre-made base from TKB Trading. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 tad of the base in the blender cup. And then you're gonna put 2 tads of MyMix Forrest Green. I get these from this from TKB as well. 1 and 2. And that's real simple. And as soon as you make this, this is ready to wear. So I'm gonna blend this for about 15 seconds. And if you were doing this at home, best thing to do is to wear a mask. To keep everything clean, I use my 91% alcohol. You clean your container out before you put your product in. Keep all my little spoons clean. Everything has a lot of color on it, and so does my hands, and so does my tools, because a lot of the pigments, more so than the micas, will settle into things and dye them permanently. So as long as I know they're clean with 91% alcohol, I am good. And I don't like wearing gloves when I'm making the videos, but you really do need to wear your mask, and I'll show you why in just a second. Okay, I'm gonna blend this for 15 seconds. Okay, now that that's blended, I'm just gonna tap it a little bit, and I'm gonna show you why the mask is so important, because a lot of this stuff is minerals, and your mica powders and pigments, mostly your micas and minerals, are very lightweight. And you can see how some of it comes out the top when you open it. It's just a light mist, but it's enough for you to breathe that. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside, and I'm going to take a scoop out of this, or actually 2 scoops, and put it into this container. Let me open it real quickly, just to show you what it looks like. You can choose any kind of container you want. This is a 3 gram. I find 2 tads fit in that perfectly. And if you do a 5 gram, it's more like 3 tads. And that's how it's gonna look in its container. And I'm going to pull some out and put it on my arm so you can see the actual color itself. It's a nice green. Okay, that is Mardi Gras green from New Orleans Potions. Thank you.